something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within.
Hi everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me on my autumn decor tour. I've picked up quite a few new autumn bits this year that I've been collecting over the past kind of 2 or 3 months. I love decorating for each season, especially autumn. I just find it such a cozy and magical season. So I'm just going to go around and show you what I've picked up, if I can remember, because it's all spread out around the house. So I picked up quite a few candles this year. I can't actually burn real candles in my house because I've got birds. So I picked up some artificial candles from Lights for Fun. These came as a set of 3, these pumpkins, and they are so cute. These pumpkins here I got a couple of years ago from Laura Ashley. And my owl was from John Lewis last year, I believe. And this garland I've had for a few years, and I just dressed this up with some berries and acorns, and then I just put some fairy lights going through it. I don't have a real fireplace, so I always treat my TV area as the fireplace. Again, here I've got some more candles from Lights for Fun. These also come with a remote control as well, which is quite handy. And then also when it comes to autumn and winter, I switch over all my Coir ceramics egg cups and vases from my jungle animals to my woodland collection. Also picked up this pumpkin garland from Lights for Fun. These cute planters I got from Next the year before last. I'm not sure if they've got them in again this year. I did see a photo on Instagram someone posted a few days ago of one of these, so they might possibly have them in again. So here's one of my Coir ceramics vases, my lovely moose, with his autumn decor display. I've got a few different things in here. I think this one I got from Floristic 24, I think it's called, last year I think. These are from Dunelm, and I think that's all that's in that one. I think it looks really pretty. And I change up the display for each season. Again, another planter from Next. This little peperomia was in a rhinoceros planter, so I just switched it over for the pumpkin. This is one of my autumnal plant pots that I picked up last year from HomeSense. Let me know in the comments if any of you guys collect the Jellycat plushies, because I think I'm a bit addicted now. After spotting this amazing maple leaf at the Garden Society, which is one of my local garden centres, I ended up picking up the maple leaf, and I also picked up the yellow squash and the pumpkin from the Garden Society. And then I got this little guy online, but I just think they are so adorable. My friend actually got me a Jellycat plant last Christmas, I think. I'll show you. He's sitting here at the moment. They're just so cute. So I think I'll be collecting a few more of those. I do have a few more to show you. Also, this beautiful fur blanket is from HomeSense. I picked up 2 of these to make the sofa nice and cozy. This cushion is more for Halloween, but I just thought I'd get it out anyway. I've swapped my summer cushions over for my nice autumn and winter tartan cushion. And I've just got another pumpkin plush on there, which I picked up from HomeSense last year. So over on the dining table, I swapped out my Coir ceramics giraffe vase for this brown bear, and then he's also got an autumn display, similar to the moose, but I've just added some pine cones in there as well. This pumpkin was from Next last year, I believe. In my biOrb, I've just put a little pumpkin in there, which I originally bought for my biOrb aquarium, but the paint started going a bit funny, so I took it out straight away, and it looks quite cute in there. So as my dining table centerpiece, I've just got this rustic bowl that I found in HomeSense, just filled with some pine cones, some pumpkins, this rattan ball, and some dried pumpkins. On the coffee table at the moment I've got my Coir ceramics hedgehog, which is housing an air plant, a glass pumpkin that I got from HomeSense, and I also picked up this candle this year from HomeSense. Smells absolutely delightful, but I do not light them in my house because of the birds, so occasionally I'll just lift off the lid and just enjoy how magical they smell. I might end up changing up this tray, but for now I think it looks quite cute. And then I picked up these lovely autumnal mug rugs from Etsy. I'll leave the name of the shop on the screen. So that's pretty much it for my living room. I've got a couple of pumpkins over on this side. This one I've had for a couple of years. And then I did pick up this woven pumpkin from Next this year, so this is a new one. It's really hard to find neutral autumn decor in the UK, so I was quite surprised to find this in Next. I think it looks really pretty. Again, this one is from HomeSense, and I think I got that one last year. I do plan on making Flame's aquarium a bit more autumnal. I'm waiting for one of the new biOrb ornaments to come into the Garden Society, so I'm going to replace the driftwood ornament there in the middle with a new one. And you'll be pleased to know that I do actually have some real plants in here now, which I've had in here for a few months and they seem to be doing okay. This plant pot is also new and I got this from HomeSense. It reminded me of an acorn. Just got my Florida ghost cutting in there. Well, I say cutting, it's actually turned into a proper plant now, fully rooted. It's doing quite well. So up on my wooden shelf here, I've got a few little autumn bits. This candle is new, that's from HomeSense. Also picked up this mushroom from HomeSense as well. Here in my hallway we've got a lovely pine cone garland that I picked up actually last Christmas, but I thought it looked quite autumnal and it looks lovely draped over the mirror in the hallway. And I also picked up this cute little key holder from HomeSense, which I'm just hanging a little heart off at the moment. I also picked up this sign a couple of years ago from Etsy, cute pumpkin sign. And then in my downstairs restroom, I've got a new wooden shelf on the wall with a few autumnal items. I picked up this from HomeSense and I think the scent is brown sugar. And then I also got this ceramic pumpkin from HomeSense. You can tell I like HomeSense quite a lot. And this is a little Banksia vase I picked up from eBay last year. So here in my hallway on my wooden shelf, I've got another cute pumpkin candle from Lights for Fun, surrounded by a few pine cones, some autumn leaves and a dried pumpkin. Got a few candles on here, my bear from Next. I've got a set of 3 of these. I've got one in the kitchen and one's in the loft at the moment because he's for Christmas. I got this cute little pumpkin bottle from HomeSense. And I've just got some rustic decorations here in a Banksia vase. This candle was also from HomeSense and I picked up these cozy letters from Next last year. You can spell out whatever you like, but I had to have cozy, of course. And down here on the floor, I've just got a plush pumpkin. I can't quite remember where I got that one from, and the big gold one I got from HomeSense last autumn. I had to show you my super cute Jellycat latte coffee cup, which I got recently. He's going to look awesome with my lovely autumnal outfits. Here we've got a wreath that my lovely friend made for me last autumn, and then a rustic heart made of sticks that I got from HomeSense last year. Here we are in the kitchen and I've got some new wooden shelving on the wall. I used to have a clock up here, but I've been meaning to replace it for quite a while. So I've got a few new items on here. I've got this Hello pumpkin sign from Next, and also the woven pumpkin is from Next, the candles from HomeSense, and then I got this wonderful pumpkin mug from Etsy. I actually spotted this last autumn, so I have wanted it for quite a while and I ended up picking it up this year. On the top shelf we've got my lovely bear from Next on the left, a couple of ceramic pumpkins from HomeSense, and then this cute autumnal cat is from Next. It's a little bit Halloweeny, but I thought it was super cute, so I put it out early. On the bottom here I've got a Banksia apple surrounded by some autumn leaves, dried pumpkins and some pine cones. In my kitchen window I've got a couple of autumn leaf garlands which I picked up last year, and I also have the same garlands with some fairy lights in the bedroom. They're really nice quality. I got them from Amazon, so I'll link them below for you if you're interested in getting a new autumn garland. The autumn leaves on the window were a present from my friend, but I loved them so much that I ended up purchasing another couple of packs, also from Amazon, because I wanted to put some on the living room windows and also the bedroom windows. Regarding my plant pots, they're all quite rustic, so they look quite good all year round, but I do swap a few over for autumn and winter. And then I've also got these really cute pumpkin planters from Next, which I've got my air plants in. And with my ivy line tropical pots, I normally just turn them round so that there's more of the orange design showing for autumn and winter, and then in spring and summer I turn them round so it's more of the green design showing. I picked up this little pumpkin with the air plant from Next. Over here in my coffee corner I picked up this new candle from HomeSense. It's a Ray Dunn candle, and then this little ghost is also from Next. And then I've got my adorable little espresso cup from Jellycat with some autumn leaves sat underneath him. This coffee pod holder is also new, and I picked this up from Amazon. I decided I wanted to hide the wires behind the coffee machine, so I ended up getting this wooden spice rack from H&M, and then I just turned it upside down. I think it looks quite nice. I also ended up putting a couple of hooks up here just so that I can hang a couple of mugs above the coffee machine. And then the other thing that I picked up this year are these lovely syrup bottles. So I've got about 4 different flavours of syrup that I now display in these lovely bottles. It just looks a bit nicer than having the plastic bottles on the kitchen side. Over here we have my lovely walrus from Coir Ceramics with his autumn display. A similar display to what I've got in the living room, apart from I've added in these pheasant feathers. And then I picked up this wooden tray from HomeSense, which originally I was going to put in the living room, but I wasn't quite sure where I was going to put it, so I decided that it looks quite nice in the kitchen with my syrup bottles, a little pumpkin, a candle from HomeSense, and then I've just got a willow branch on there as well. Over in the corner on my mug stand I got a new mug from Next. It says Hello Pumpkin, and I also picked up this really cute Halloween glass from HomeSense, which my friend and I had our iced coffees in the other day. Here's my little Vector robot with his own personal pumpkin. If you don't know what Vector is, he's just like a little home assistant robot. He pretty much does his own thing. He recognises different people. He likes to throw things off the side of my kitchen. He's quite mischievous, but the cutest thing he does is when he self-charges. I'll try and get him to do it. I thought I'd give you a quick look at the garden so you can see how it's looking at the end of September. It's funny because it still looks really tropical outside, even though it's very cosy and autumnal inside my house, but it is getting quite chilly in the mornings and the evenings now, and I'm going to be covering my bar in a couple of weeks' time, and then next month I'll start to overwinter some of the garden plants. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it's given you some ideas and inspiration for your own autumn decor. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you all soon.
castles out of sand.